Hi and welcome back. Here is a sentence that many English learners get wrong. She's enough smart to solve the problem. What do you think is wrong with this sentence? Here is a hint. The word enough is in the wrong place. The word enough has specific rules depending on whether you are using it with nouns, adjectives, verbs, or adverbs. If you want to learn the correct way to use enough and stop making mistakes like this, watch this video till the end. In today's lesson, we will uncover the rules of how to use enough through a short story and lots of examples.
The Journey to Success. Meet Lisa, a young artist with a big dream. Lisa wanted to sell her paintings in a famous art gallery. One day, she saw an ad, "Art Gallery Contest. Win a spot for your painting." Excited, Lisa decided to enter. But there were some challenges. Lisa thought, "Do I have enough time to prepare? I need to practice every day." She wasn't sure if her skills were good enough to win. Her friends told her, "Lisa, you're talented, but you don't work hard. You should try enough." She listened. Every evening, she painted for hours. At first, she didn't paint carefully enough to create the details she wanted. She also wasn't practicing consistently enough to improve quickly. But she kept going. Eventually, she created a masterpiece. On the day of the contest, Lisa walked confidently into the gallery. The judges were impressed. They said, "Your work shows enough creativity and effort. You deserve this spot." And just like that, Lisa's dream came true because she had worked hard enough and believed in herself.
Let's break down how enough was used in Lisa's story. Using enough with nouns. When enough is used with a noun, it comes before a noun and shows there is a sufficient amount or quantity. So the structure is this: enough plus noun. Pay attention to the example from the story. Do I have enough time to prepare? Here, time is a noun and it comes after the word enough. Do I have enough time to prepare? Enough time. Listen to more examples. Is there enough food for everyone? Food is the noun, and it comes after enough. Is there enough food for everyone? Enough food. We don't have enough chairs for the guests. Enough chairs. I didn't buy the shoes because I didn't have enough money. Enough money. She didn't bring enough water for the hike. Enough water. Using enough with adjectives. When enough is used with an adjective, it comes after an adjective and shows the quality described by the adjective is sufficient or not sufficient. So the structure is this: adjective plus enough. Pay attention to the example from the story. Her skills were not good enough to win. Here, good is an adjective and it comes before the word enough. Her skills were not good enough to win. It means her abilities were not enough to win. Good enough. Let's have more examples. This room isn't big enough for the meeting. Big is an adjective and it comes before the word enough. This room isn't big enough for the meeting. It means the size of the room is not enough for the people of the meeting. Big enough. She wasn't fast enough to finish her paintings on time. Here, fast is an adjective, and it comes before the word enough. Fast enough. He is tall enough to play basketball. She isn't tall enough to reach the shelf. Is this coat warm enough for winter? Warm enough. Is your work detailed enough for the project? Detailed enough. Using enough with verbs. When enough is used with a verb, it comes after a verb and shows the action described by the verb is done sufficiently. So the structure is verb plus enough. Pay attention to the example from the story. You should try enough. Here try is a verb and is followed by enough. Listen to more examples. He didn't study enough for the test. Do you sleep enough at night? He didn't exercise enough to stay healthy. He didn't train enough to win the race. They haven't worked enough to complete the project. In all these sentences, enough is used after the verbs. Using enough with adverbs. When enough is used with an adverb, it comes after an adverb and shows the manner or intensity described by the adverb is sufficient. The structure is adverb plus enough. Here are examples from the story. At first, she didn't paint carefully enough to create the details she wanted. Here, carefully is adverb that describes the verb paint and is followed by enough. She didn't paint carefully enough to create the details she wanted. Carefully enough. She wasn't practicing consistently enough to improve quickly. Consistently here is an adverb and is followed by enough. She wasn't practicing consistently enough to improve quickly. We do not say enough consistently. We say consistently enough. She wasn't practicing consistently enough to improve quickly. Let's have more examples. He didn't run quickly enough to win the race. Here, quickly is the adverb that describes the verb run, and enough is used after it. He didn't run quickly enough to win the race. You can replace quickly with the word fast. For example, she didn't run fast enough to catch the bus. Pay attention, fast here is not an adjective. Here it is an adverb that describes the verb run. She didn't run fast enough to catch the bus. They didn't search carefully enough to find the missing keys. She didn't speak clearly enough for the audience to understand. Do you speak loudly enough for everyone to hear you? She didn't sing loudly enough for us to hear her. She danced gracefully enough to impress the judges. Are you working efficiently enough to meet the deadline? Now let's review the correct placement and use of enough in sentences. With a noun, enough comes before the noun. They don't have enough time to finish the project. With an adjective, enough comes after the adjective. The weather today is warm enough for a swim. With a verb, enough comes after the verb. He hasn't saved enough to buy a new car. With an adverb, enough comes after the adverb. We waited patiently enough for our turn. Let's go back to the wrong sentence that we had at the beginning of the video. It's wrong to say she is enough smart to solve the problem. We have to say she is smart enough to solve the problem, because smart is an adjective and it should come before the word enough. She is smart enough to solve the problem. If this video was helpful, share it with your friends who are learning English. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar lessons. Finally, in the comments, tell me what's one thing you feel confident enough about doing today. I'm waiting for your comments. See you in the next video.